What is going on, guys? It is finally warming up here in Illinois and most of the ice is gone, so that means open water fishing time. Today I'm at a river that I don't really fish a lot to try to find some smallies, so let's see if we can find anything. Let's go! Alright guys, first spot over here. I'm gonna try the KVD 1.5 first. There's a guy where I want to fish right now over by the dam, so I'm gonna try this spot first and then head over there once he hopefully moves. See if we can't find a smallmouth today. If I can get one, I'll be pretty psyched. I'm sure the water temps are still pretty cold because it's only like the 40s still air temp, so might be kind of sluggish still. I have this to try. I have a Ned rig I can try. Got a bunch of things. Snag. Hopefully don't get too many snags. Oh, I just missed one. No way. Like second cast with the square bill crankbait. I just missed one right at the end. He just missed it. That looked like a decent fish. Come back, buddy. That was a good smallie I just missed. Come on, come back for the bait. Give the square bill a try first. First one of the day. What do we have? Is it a catfish? Oh my god, it's a giant smallie. Oh my god. I thought that was gonna be like a catfish at first or something. Not bad, right? Hell yeah. First fish of the day, guys. What's up?
Pre-spawn bass are big, you know?
Yeah, it's a nice one. First fish of the day is a tank. Look at this thing. I've been fishing here for like 2 hours now, so I'm calling anything. Then look into this thing. I thought it was like a catfish or something at first. He's pulling so good. Hell yeah. Look at that thing. Let's go. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. Let's get back out there. KVD 1.5. Okay. And like a sexy shad color, I think it is.
Yeah.
But